Assalamu alaikum friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Airdro World. Friend, new project Moon Connect new project. So friends, Moon Connect the aim of your Moon Connect project is to Moon Connect is a social token. Moon Connect aims to become the most decentralized and fairly distributed token in the universe by reaching at least 5 million holders. More than 70% of the circulating supply will be sent through random airdrops, bounties, and rewards. So they are not launching any ICO or pre-ICO programs, IO programs. They are sent their 70% of their total supply through different airdrops, bounty rewards, and all these things. So and the remaining 30% their total supply will be burnt forever. It means that the 30% supply will be sent to black hole. It means they will never come back. So and 70% of the supply will be distributed to their users through different airdrop programs and different rewards. So they have different launching they have different programs. If launching programs, you can check that token distribution, 5% team development, 5% airdrop fees and marketing, 10% pre-sale, 50% of the total supply will be distributed through airdrops, rewards, bounties, and 30% will be burned forever. So these are the token distribution details. Progressive distribution. And if we check total token holders, 650 today. Now token holders are 650. Telegram members 18,200. All time high market cap 1.5 million. Core team members 16. So orbital station, they have different features such as Moon Connect wallet, Moon Connect incubator, Moon Connect colonizer, Moon Connect tools. We can check all the detail, we can use all these features, but when the project holders reach 500k holder, this feature will be unlocked. And when a Moon Connect wallet is the official wallet of the Moon Connect team, when we can store Moon Connect coins on this wallet and send and receive coins, tokens, our Moon Connect token within seconds through Moon Connect wallet to Moon Connect wallet. So Moon Connect incubator allows users to collect Moon Cash token. Moon Cash token is the main currency of the Moon Connect wallet, Moon Connect token. So but if holders will be reached to 1 million holders, will be if Moon Connect holders are reached to 1 million holders, then this feature will be unlocked. And this Moon Connect colonizer option will be unlocked when holders will be reached to 2 million. And this is the NFT based tokens. You can check the details about the NFT. MC Colonizer will let you train, level and compete with your NFT in order to colonize the moon and collect unique rewards. So Moon Connect tool is a very good feature. We can check all the live charts, coin tracker, wallet tracker, and all the details about that are necessary for the traders and their investors are available in the Moon Connect tools. Wallet tracker, we can track our wallets, live charts, we can check the live charts of the coins. Generation boosted feature, this feature is unlocked when the holders are reached to 3 million holders. So this is the project of Moon Connect holder, Moon Connect. I hope you like this project. So thank you for watching my video.